Hi there, this is my demo video of this quick autonomous car model. So what I have here on my display is Unreal Engine. This is running Microsoft's AirSim, and here we have a pre-built vehicle with realistic physics, um, and this whole environment here. I'll also add to the screen a camera that you can see there in the bottom right, and a proximity sensor shown in the bottom left. The vehicle also has a built-in segmentation sensor, but we're not actually going to be using that in our autonomous algorithm, so not putting that in there yet. Now, up in the top right of this screen, there's also my command prompt. I have a trained model already that I've been running. It's trained with TensorFlow and end-to-end deep learning to basically learn how to drive. And so I will just start the script and it should run, and I can get a good demonstration of what it looks like when the script is driving the car. So there's TensorFlow booting up, and then you can see a live read of the thrust and steering direction. Obviously, it is far from perfect right now. It tends to bounce back and forth a lot as it's trying to remain centered in the lane, and it can't go very fast or else it kind of loses track of the road. It's also not trained to avoid obstacles yet. This is only trained to maintain the road, so it may run into collisions with walls. I'm hoping it avoids them though. Um, but yeah, this is our basic proof of concept, just showing that we can, in fact, do some realistic simulation of an autonomous vehicle, that it can, the very least, drive itself and maintain its location on the road. Awesome. I'll let it get a little bit further here. Another interesting thing is that the training for this data was not done on this map. It was actually, the training set was done on a different map entirely, and in it with a different light and different weather settings entirely. So this model is actually a little bit robust in terms of the kind of environments that it is able to drive a vehicle in. All right, well, I think that's a pretty decent demonstration of what's going on here. Obviously, everything here is very rudimentary and it needs a lot of improvement before we can call it anything close to good, but this is a really great place to start from.